Market analysis. Let's see the market opportunities for today, one by one. Euro USD. Before that, first we need to check about what are the major economic news going to release by this week. So Tuesday today we have USD consumer confidence, and tomorrow we have US crude oil inventories. And Thursday we have US GDP, which will play a big role on US markets. And Friday we have Euro CPI. So I believe what happened to US, the US economy is like whenever the dollar gets strong or weak, all the markets, including gold, the Bitcoin, everything, it keeps moving up and down. It will make a big volatile move. So let's see the market one by one, and which are the pairs you should have to be careful about is dollar, US dollar. Because US dollar we have US GDP on Thursday, which will give a big impact. So US GDP rate that seems to be very positive this time, from minus 0.5% to 3% yesterday. Expected ratio was around expected report was around 3% for GDP QOQ quarter on quarter. So actually the last time it came around 3% last month. So I think 37. I think the dollar might have a chance to get stronger. If the dollar gets strong, otherwise it will consolidate. So let's see the market opportunities one by one today. And let's start with Euro USD. Euro USD is moving in an ascending channel, and it's moving up and down. Pound USD is also doing the same. Yes, also USD, same thing. That's the same thing. So they ask me Euro USD, how is Euro USD? I'm not sure about Euro USD, but in the long term, it looks like Euro USD has chances to move up or even down. But I'm not sure because it is just simply consolidating. Consolidation don't give any kind of confirmation unless it breaks the minor support or resistance range. I mean, if it try to break the minor level support or resistance level, you should have to wait. Be patient, wait for the market to move on. Also USD. Also USD is simply moving up and down. New Zealand USD is also doing the same. It's trying to rebound from the bottom actually. USD yen does the same thing. USD yen looks like it has a chance to move up continuously. I think still there are a lot of space, a lot of room for USD yen to move up. Looks like dollar might have a chance to get strong. That's consolidation. So I cannot make sure the dollar will have or move up or not. I'm not sure about that. Oh, maybe just 50%. 61.8 is the major one, but 50% is quite decent. So now it might have a chance to move off continuously. I think USD might have a chance to move up. Silver, I'm not sure. Silver is still moving in an uptrend. Well, if I consider silver like this, so silver reaches high and then fall, I'd also have a chance to consolidate, but I think silver will move up mostly. Use the Swiss franc trying to move up, upgrading the support or resistance. Use the yen, try to move up. So use the Swiss franc. USD Canadian. USD Canadian is like this. USD Canadian is like this. Okay. Uh, I'm not sure what USD Canadian. Pound USD. Same. Pound CAD. Try to move up pound CAD. Still moving on ascending channel range, so I'm not sure about the pound CAD. Oh wow, Euro Canadian. Also does the same thing. Euro Canadian also does the same thing. It was all in the it is all in the major resistance level. Euro New Zealand. Wow, Euro New Zealand is quite good. You see, Euro New Zealand just fell down to this point. Just picked up. Euro Pound. Euro Pound tried to move down and up. 50% is quite decent, so I think Euro Pound might have a chance to fall, but it's not good to buy or sell at that moment. Because if Euro Pound breaks the bottom, then we can expect a big fall because it already broke the ascending channel, so we need to wait for the confirmation. If you want to take a trade now, don't take it because there is no confirmation. Either it can move up or down. You need to wait. Pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand try to move only up, 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 up. It will move up again. I believe. Yes. Pound New Zealand hits the high low area. Should have a chance to move up. No, it has a chance to move up. But we need to wait and see if the pound New Zealand can move up or not. Pound out. Not sure for pound out. Well, it hits the resistance level. I think pound out can. It has a chance to move up, but I cannot say simply like that because still it's moving down. I'm not sure. I think USGN will move up. Think is different compared to the confirmation. Don't take that. Alright. You should not think about that. Gold simply consolidating. Up, down. Just simply consolidating. Still have a chance to rise one more up. Another 2000 points out the move is possible on gold. So, and Australian US dollar. Euro CAD. So Australian dollar is still trying to rise up. So, but I'm not sure about Australian USD. No, we need to wait and see. Going more. So let's see the next. Bitcoin broke the bottom. You can see after Bitcoin broke the bottom, it just tried to retest the 117. Sorry, 117. Then it fell down $7,000 straightforwardly within 3 days, I think. Yep, just in 3 days, market fell $7,000. So this is how. Well, I think 110K is also good, quite resistance level. Because it is considered as a resistance, and another resistance level is around 100K. To wait and see. Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc simply try to move up, but I'm not sure about Euro Swiss franc because Euro Swiss franc have a chance to move up or down. Aussie Swiss franc, Aussie Swiss franc, and Canadian Swiss franc. Wow, Canadian Swiss franc still moving in the descending channel. It looks like Canadian Swiss franc will break the bottom. Yes, it has a chance to break the bottom. It will move down. If it breaks the top, then we can expect the Canadian Swiss franc to move up. Otherwise, it should have to make a fall. Big fall is waiting. So we're expecting a kind of fake breakout like this. Like this, and this is also quite fake breakout of 40 pips. 50 pips, but this one is bigger, around 90 pips. Use the Canadian trying to move up. Australia, New Zealand. Nice to see Australia, New Zealand try to move up continuously. Wow. Nice to see a good growth on Australia, New Zealand. So I still believe Australia, New Zealand have a chance to move up more comparing to all other pairs. Australia, New Zealand seems to be very good. And Australia, Canadian, sorry, Australian, Japanese yen. It reaches the lower high, I believe. Uh, well, here we need to wait and see. Wait for the breakout. Because whatever it forms, like you should not consider it as a big one. You should have to wait for the breakout. Gold, need to wait for breakout for Australia, Canadian, sorry, Australian, Japanese yen. USD Canadian, try to move up. USD Canadian. Aussie Japanese yen, same, it's trying to move up. Swiss franc, JPY, it's also simply trying to move up and down, nothing else. So if you can see some kind of, yeah, but wait for this breakout. Oh, can take it out. Yeah, breaks the bottom, then we can expect a good fall. Canadian Japanese yen. Wait. Might have chance to fall. It already broke the support. Still, I still believe Canadian Japanese yen might have a chance to fall, but I'm not sure about that. USD yen does the same thing. Australian USG. So if you calculate the USD yen like this, it says it's a 50 as well as 60%. You should have to fall, right? It generally fell, but still it's consolidating. It might have chance to move up, otherwise it can fall down again. Because it tried to break the support. Australian USD, not sure about Australian USD, how far it can go. So let's wait and see. Pound out, not sure about the pound out. Euro out, same. Pound out, it's the same thing. Pound USD, Australian USD. Australia Canadian. I believe it will break the resistance very soon. So just wait for the confirmation. Canadian Japanese yen is hardly consolidating. Like it's consolidating so hard. Wait for the breakout from the consolidation zone. Gold, it might have chance to move up mostly. But it hits the high, I think lower high. So don't take any serious decision unless you see a breakout over here. If you think you can buy, but keep your stop loss maybe below this level and take profit around this 1:1 ratio. Well, silver. I'm not sure about the silver. Pound yen is also simply consolidating up and down, up and down. Nothing is happening over here in power for pound yen. Pound yen, I'm not sure about the pound yen because pound yen is really USD Canadian. USD Canadian. Pound dollar. Although we have a US news, we still need to be careful about the pairs because all the pairs, all the currency pairs have an impact. If US dollar is going to affect strong enough, the US news is going to affect the US dollar strong enough, then all the pairs mostly will have an impact. So be careful. I'm not making you afraid of the news even. I'm just giving you the awareness so that you will save your protect your capital, money in a balance. Because if you lose the money, you won't get another chance easily to top up and trade again. Like if you keep losing, if you keep blowing your account, you're simply doing a gambling. Better bet on casinos, not in the forex market, because you lose the money anyway if you keep having that habit. Because I'm also one of the loser and the gambler in the market for a long time now. After a long time, I started making very good money after finding out a lot of things which I'm going to do against the nature of the human behavior. Like human behavior is mostly based on survival. So in the ancient time, we do all survive. Like all the people, they are just try to catch the food prey, and they hunt the animals and they keep eating it out. And also, like while they try to stay in the caves or in the trees, there is no security because anytime we have a chance we get attacked by the animals, insects, anything, snakes, lion, anything can attack us. So that the human mindset is like the first thing is protection, and then the hungriness. So eat, like we live there for survival before a long time ago. So that's the reason in our human gene, we or naturally we have a tendency to protect ourselves more. So that's the reason most of people in trading are um, protecting the trades, like they're closing the trades when they feel very secure. If you're in small profit, you feel very secure. Oh my God, I feel very good holding the profitable trade, but not good enough to hold for a big profit. But I'm very good to hold, see the blue color on my mobile MT4 so that I feel very good. Oh my God, I made a good profit. Let's close the trade. But if there is a loss in red color, I don't close it so faster. Why? What's the reason I don't close? Reason is like simply I want to protect myself. So in order to protect myself, I don't need to close the trade. So that's the reason. So you need to go against the nature of our human behavior to achieve a good success and the changes in your trading style. Don't do the same thing. If you do the same thing, you will get the same result. If you do the different thing, you will get a different result. So don't expect different results doing the same thing. Hope you understand. So please change yourself, learn, be patient, change yourself. So Australian news and dollar seems to be very well. Bitcoin seems to be quite good. So after saying